Delhi power tariff hike has been put on hold due to non-availability of data from the NTPC. Remember, the power tariff in the national capital was hiked up to 7% by the DERC, and it was to come in effect from Saturday. But the news is coming in that decision to hike the power tariff has been put on hold, and this is what is being said, that there is the data from the NTPC is not available. We have now more reports coming in, and we have Tripti joining us on the story. Tripti.
Yeah, according to sources from the DERC, what we've come to know is that some fresh data has come to the notice of the DERC. So now they will be scrutinizing this fresh piece of information, and only then will they take a call whether they would want the power tariff in Delhi to be increased or not. Remember, the tariff was supposed to be increased from tomorrow. The DERC was waiting for a nod from the Election Commission because they were supposed to increase the power tariff before the by-elections were announced. But with the by-elections being cancelled now, they have got a nod from the Election Commission, and that is why they were going for this power tariff. It was, of course, condemned by many political parties. Kejriwal, who was instrumental in bringing making the power tariffs really come down to a very surprising level, he basically had condemned it strongly. Yesterday, he had sent out a statement saying that what the DERC is doing is something that should be opposed by the central government as well, because all the DISCOMs were under CAG audit, and at this point of time, increasing the power tariff was against what he had sought for. So at this point of time, though, what we can confirm is the rollback. The power tariff has been rolled back. It was supposed to be implemented from tomorrow. So the fresh data that has come to the notice of the DERC will now be taken into consideration. So till the time they take the final call, there will be no hike in the power tariff.
But Tripti, though the rollback has come within the 24 hours on the decision to hike the power tariff up to 7%, we've seen that this was an issue in the last Delhi polls, and it was severely criticized when the decision came yesterday also. It will be a burning topic for the upcoming Delhi polls, both for the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress as well.
Definitely, with elections scheduled in Delhi soon, this announcement was expected to be met with a lot of resistance from political parties as well as consumer groups. But what the DERC is saying is that the consumers will not see a very significant rise in their power bills. What they are saying is that the new tariffs which were announced in July, there was no net hike in the power tariff as such. Then the subsidy that was announced in November by the Kejriwal government had reduced the bills further. So what they are saying is that this increase in the power tariff, there will be no increase in the bills from the July revision itself. So it will not make a huge impact on the consumers. This is what the DERC has maintained. But of course, with them now rolling back the power tariff, the political parties are sort of happy for now. But it remains to be seen, because with the new data coming in, as I said, sources in the DERC are saying that they will take a call once the fresh data has been scrutinized. So it remains to be seen how soon it will be done and whether it will again happen before the elections.
All right, Tripti, be with us. We're getting some reaction from the BJP as well. Let's take a listen in.
Mr. Kejriwal, of course, attacks anyone and everyone, but rarely would he introspect. It's certainly one thing is there. The BJP or the government or any government cannot run a model of governance or model of non-governance, as Mr. Kejriwal showed us in his 49 days in power, where you reward those who break the law and you stand with those who go out and harass women in the middle of the night, but don't do anything which is for benefit to the city or to the people of the city.